Ooh. Oh, the smell of green. Good morning. What a beautiful breakfast we have here. Thank you so much. We are going to visit a tea factory in Kandy.
In Sri Lanka, we have different type of tea clones. These three are some of them.
Oh.
From this, black tea and green tea coming same clone, but it has two different process.
Okay. There is a perfume. Incredible aroma here.
This machine can separate by different qualities. This different weight. Okay, this one heavier. This less heavy.
Oh yeah.
This different weight.
Yeah, really, it's two different weights.
This one
Heavier.
This first
Yeah,
quality.
and the best quality
Yes.
is this one. Yeah.
I can't believe that I slept in a cold weather. Actually, yesterday I asked for a blanket and they look at me strangely because who's going to sleep with a blanket in Sri Lanka? I guess it's not usual. But I'm always cold, except when I was in Colombo.
Let's check outside. Oh wow. Ooh. Oh, the smell of green. Oh, how amazing. Look at this tree. Oh, I hear the noise of a river down there. But this place is heaven. Let's start my day. Good morning. So let's go to have breakfast. Look at the beautiful house today with the sun. The garden. The sky from there, yes. Good morning. I was like, this is a big tea. Yeah, because I love tea and usually they make me very little tea, no? And this time I have really a nice cup of tea, like big one. Yeah, I'm so happy. What a beautiful breakfast we have here. Thank you so much. Did you sleep well? Yeah. Good. Me too also. Yeah. It was quiet. A little bit cool, but I had my blanket, so perfect. Yeah, the birds woke me up this morning. So it was really nice. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, I like it. I was asking to Madam, how is the situation right now? How can she cook? And I asked her, what about the gas? You have no gas?
No gas.
No gas right now.
Can't
cook.
find. Can't find.
Yeah, you can't find it. So just you cook it with the wood and fire.
Yeah, fire.
Because you are in the countryside, so you're lucky you can. But in the cities,
very difficult.
Difficult, really. Yeah, people are finding difficulties now to find gas and fuel.
Yeah.
Let's pray that everything is going to be well soon. So we are going with the son of the owner of the house, the homestay I'm staying here in Kandy, in the countryside. We are going to visit a tea factory in Kandy, and this is a city. We arrived in the Giragama Tea Factory. Here it is. Look at how big it is. All right, let's go.
Hi, Bova.
Hello.
This tea leaf don't break because of the New Year festival. That's why this time we are not producing.
Okay.
Okay. First, I will explain our tea history for you. You can see this picture, James Taylor, father of Ceylon Tea.
Okay.
In 1867, Sir James Taylor introduced it to Sri Lanka from the English era. Sri Lanka tea, famous as Ceylon tea around the world. Sri Lanka is the second biggest tea producer in the world. First one is India, third one is Kenya. But madam, we are the best and biggest tea exporter in the world. Annually we are making 250 million kilos of tea.
Okay.
From that less than 3% enough for our consumption, and 97% we export, especially Russia, Middle East, England. In Sri Lanka, we have different type of tea clones. These three are some of them.
Oh.
From this, black tea and green tea coming same clone, but it has two different process.
Okay.
Main principle, black tea with fermentation, green tea without fermentation.
Okay, so the black tea, fermentation, green tea, no
No
fermentation.
fermentation,
All right.
without
Oh.
fermentation.
Yeah.
And these two are very special kind of tea in Sri Lanka, golden tea and silver tea. Coming
Golden
to,
and silver.
Yes.
All right.
Coming two different tea plants. Silver tea famous as white tea. Do you know white tea?
Yeah, I heard about the white
Same
tea.
name.
Okay.
We use only this tip part.
Okay.
Bud part.
Okay.
This tip including natural tannin and vitamin. These two are better for our heart diseases, cancer problem, losing body weight, tannin against the cholesterol problem.
Okay.
Healthy was this golden tea and silver tea best.
Okay.
But these two produce 25 or 30 kilos per month. Very rare product. We don't export. This
Only
gold-
for Sri Lanka.
Yes.
Okay.
But black tea produce 1500 2000 kilos per day. You can see this small shooter
Yeah.
grow up within 7 days.
Oh.
Normally once a week we plug this tea leaf.
Okay.
And this factory we produce black tea, golden tea, silver tea. Here, this is the first step of producing black tea.
Okay.
We call it withering process.
Okay.
Withering means reducing the moisture in the tea leaves. There is big fan and air blowing through the tea leaves dry up, reducing moisture 18 to 20 hours. Every often 6 by 6 hours, turning tea leaf by hand. We reduce 45 to 50% tea leaf moisture. As an example, madam, when you we spread 1000 kilos here, complete 20 hours, after become nearly half of the weight, 500 kilos. Okay.
Yeah. And there is tea.
And then this one we call it shooter. After withered tea leaves, we put into the shooter. Pass to the next process. It's calling rolling process.
Rolling.
Rolling. These rollers are downstairs.
Okay.
Normally we are apply 250 kilos one time.
Okay.
Okay. This is the second process, rolling process. These are the rollers and still we are using here more than 100 years old machine. After withered tea leaf, apply to first roller and rolling 20 minutes without any pressure.
Okay.
Because first time we are accepting unbroken tea leaf, smoothly roll, we calling like twisting.
Okay.
After complete 20 minutes, take out and pass to the shifter machine. This is the shifter machine. It consists 3 different size of measure, like bigger, medium, smaller.
Okay.
You can see this roll breaker. We call it roll breaker. The small leaf here, big leaf here. Small leaf here, big leaf here. Most younger tender leaf fall through the measure. This rest particle coming in front of the machine. As same as we are apply other new leaves into the second roller, rolling 20 minutes with little pressure. Second time we are accepting broken break. It's like broken. It's called broken leafy tea. This tea is strong taste. First time we are accepting unbroken tea leaves. It's called unbroken leafy tea, light taste. Okay. After complete 20 minutes, take out and pass to the shifter machine and shifting. Finally, this all the rest particles pass to the third roller. Pass to the third roller and rolling with full pressure. Full pressure. It's become like a powder.
Okay.
It's called tea dust. Outside supermarket tea bag, inside tea dust. Tea powder.
Okay.
It's very strong one.
I know, I tried that. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. It's the rolling room.
And madam, after rolling, we need to keep grade wise. We need to keep there 2.5 hours for the fermentation. Do you know
Fermentation.
oxidation? The moisture in the tea leaves react with normal air. We spray a little water from supporting that humidifier.
Okay.
After this green color leaf become brown color and good aroma to the tea. I told you green tea without fermentation. green tea we produce as a healthy drink. That's why it's without fermentation.
Okay.
Black tea we fermentation. Black tea we produce as a beverage. That's why it's fermentation.
Okay.
Okay.
Clear.
You can see this one pressure plate we call it.
Okay.
This machine can apply to the pressure.
And this is the what you will have
This
later.
old sample.
Okay. Okay, so now the dryer room. There is a perfume, incredible aroma here.
These are the dryer machine, old
Okay,
machine.
okay.
After fermented tea leaves, we put into the dryer
Okay.
and drying 22 minutes under 120 centigrades. After drying, you can see, madam, this tea leaf convert to black color, stem particle convert to brown color. Brown.
All right.
There are two different sizes of stem here, big stem here and a small stem here. One like fibers, like hair.
Yeah.
Okay? This machine can separate by a small stem. Remove it.
Okay. 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 Wow. Look at this tea.
Here you can see this after drying this tea leaf here. This is the special machine we call it fiber mat.
Okay.
There are plastic rollers in this machine. When the machine is turned on, this roll warm up and work as magnet. The small stem static the rollers and come up like this. The small stem.
Okay.
But madam, big stem and the tea fall in front of the machine and pass to the final stage.
Okay.
Okay? This small stem we use compost. This is the furnace. Dryer machine backside.
Okay.
In Sri Lanka, still we use only firewoods. We
Okay.
don't use gas, electricity. There are 1,200 tea factories in Sri Lanka.
Okay.
All these use firewoods.
Okay.
It's government rule. That's why our total tea production 100% natural tea production.
Okay.
Especially we use rubber woods. Do you know rubber? Same name, caoutchouc
Yeah.
wood. Because rubber woods burning long time and good aroma to the tea.
Okay.
And this is the wood cut machine.
Okay. This is the caoutchouc you are talking about.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Final stage, here we are separating tea. There are different shifters. We are separating according to the different size.
Okay.
Like bigger, medium, smaller. Size mean some people like light taste. Some people like strong taste. This bigger particle, light taste. The smaller particle, strong taste. Taste always depend on size of the tea leaves.
Okay. So the taste depends on the size of the tea leaves. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
This machine
Wow,
can,
how much?
Yeah, this machine can separate by 5 different sizes.
Different sizes. Okay.
After the sizes, size wise again we are separating according to the weight from machine. This machine can separate by different qualities.
Wow.
This is the suction winnower machine.
Okay.
This machine has sucker and winnowing fan. Do you know sucker?
No.
Like vacuum?
Like that.
Yes.
Okay.
That sucker can suck the tea leaves and separating according to the different weight. Heavier tea fall near the winnowing machine. This one first quality black tea. Less heavier one go far from the winnower. Those are low quality tea. Heavier mean younger leaf. Younger tender leaf. This one first quality. Second quality. Third qualities.
All right.
As an example, we need to take BOP. BOP first quality, second quality, third qualities.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Give me a hand, please, madam. This different weight. Okay, this one heavier.
Yeah.
And this less heavy.
Oh yeah.
Different weight.
Yeah, really, it's two different weights.
This one
Heavier.
heavier. This first
Yeah.
quality.
And the best quality
Yes.
is this one. Yeah. and
Coming
this-
coming from younger tender
Alright.
leaves.
Yeah, yeah. Younger leaves, heavier, best quality. And this is?
Less quality one.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
And this is the color separator machine, modern machine, made in China. This machine has color sensor camera.
Okay,
Which
color sensor camera.
Yes, which can recognize what are the black color, what are the brown color.
Black or brown, okay.
Black means the tea leaf, brown means stem particle.
Okay, we don't use that.
No, we
okay.
use compost.
Huh?
Compost.
Compost. So we separate and we just drink this.
This.
All right.
Okay.
Wow, clear. Yeah.
Production.
Final production.
We
Yeah.
packing like this.
pack.
This all unblended good quality tea.
Okay.
Our tea factory total tea production 97% we send to tea auction in Colombo. 3% we sell here. It's government rule. Do you know Dilma, Lipton?
Yeah.
They are only buyers. They are buying different quality tea in tea auction and blending, repacking, selling export under different brand. So you can't find outside good quality unblended tea. If you want buy good quality unblended tea, you can buy
Yeah,
only for the
yeah. Okay,
factories.
it's clear.
This one is here, 56 kilos here, grade BOPF.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the sample box, the summary of production.
Oh, so you have the golden, silver, green, OP. These I don't
This
know.
1,
The
2,
dust.
3, 4, 5, this black tea.
Mm.
This Sri Lankan best tea, golden tea and silver tea, coming to different tea plants. I told you, we use only this tea part, dry by sun. We never
Okay.
go any other process dry by sun.
Only dry by sun.
This one green tea without green tea, black tea coming same clone.
Okay.
Green tea without fermentation, that's why green tea
Yeah.
green color. This one black tea.
Mm-hmm.
This orange peco, lightest taste.
Lightest taste.
This tea when you put into the hot water, nice orange ring light color.
Okay.
This one flowery peco, medium light taste. This tea when you put into the hot water, this twisted leafy particle open like as an flower. That's why it's called flowery peco.
Flowery. Okay.
These two unbroken leafy tea. Apply to first roller and rolling smoothly. I told you.
Yeah.
These two light characters. And this one BOP, B means broken, orange peco, medium strong black tea, broken orange peco fanning, fanning means finest, the smallest, strong taste, English breakfast tea.
Okay.
These two broken leafy tea, apply to second roller and rolling with little pressure, this is strong taste. This one tea dust, this rest particle, that's why it's brown color.
Okay.
Apply to third roller and rolling with full pressure.
Okay.
This one refuse tea, hard stem.
Okay.
Our total tea production 5% or 6% we use compost. Go back to the plantation.
Okay. So this is not going to be used as a tea.
No.
The dust one is strong.
Very strong one.
Very strong one.
Outside supermarket tea bag.
Okay.
Inside tea dust.
For the tea bags.
Yes.
Usually tea bags have dust inside.
Dust.
Okay. Clear.
And
Thank you.
Listen to me, madam.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Let's go upstairs, try a nice cup of tea.
Okay. Look at how much tea they have here. So we finished our tour of the tea factory. It was really interesting. And let's move to our next adventure.